Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, trip computer, clock, fog lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.